If you don't like mosquitoes but love nature, then you'll go batty for these bat facts. Bats are the only mammals that can truly fly, and they're not blind. Most bats see just fine, but they rely on echolocation to hunt. Speaking of food, a single bat can eat its weight in insects every night. Now that's a pest control service. There are over 1,400 species of bats, ranging from the tiny bumblebee bat, which is smaller than a thumbnail, to the giant flying fox with a wingspan of nearly 6 feet. Batman, eat your heart out, and get this, some bats live up to 30 years. That's longer than most pet dogs, plus they're eco-friendly. Bats help pollinate over 500 different plant species, including bananas, avocados, and mangoes. So next time you see a bat, think twice before you scream. These little guys are more helpful than you think. Stay batty, folks.